Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. So today another day and another update for Nothing Phone 2a, which claims to improve overall performance of the device and also saturation and portrait mode for the camera segment. So we do have some photos which we clicked before and after updating the device, and we tried not to have much of difference between the timing which might affect the lighting condition. So we hardly had a gap of 15 to 20 minutes between the photos we clicked. So we'll talk about every change, what this latest update brings on the table for Nothing Phone 2a. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here I have my Nothing Phone 2a which I've already updated to the latest build. Let me show you the about information. You can see the current version is Nothing OS 2.5.5, which brings the latest security patch of 1st April 2024, and the build number is 1238. I received a OTA update, and you can see here is the OTA update which I received. Update size was around 19.24 MB, which brings camera improvements, general improvements, and then bug fixes. So for every change we do have a before and after update. We'll show you guys that also. But now before moving ahead, guys, we have 87% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel. So if you guys find our videos helpful to you, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. So if you see the changelogs, first one is layer 2 camera. First of all, let me show you the camera app version before and after. So the latest version is 0.38.00 and the previous app version was 0.27.05. With the first change, let's say they have improved the camera color saturation, and after this update we can see Nothing Phone 2a shows noticeable difference in the saturation. The saturation seems to be more pronounced post update, with the colors appearing more vibrant and with greater contrast. Green of the trees is richer, providing a strong distinction from the brownish ground and the white building in the background. The sky also seems to carry a deeper blue tone. The flowers display a bolder presence in the frame, with yellow petals showing a deeper, more golden hue, and the pink flowers looking more vivid. I did like the improvements done in saturation after this update. In portrait mode also they made some improvements like optimizing the blur accuracy, and here are the photos which we clicked before and after. And I can confirm they did improve overall performance of the photos clicked in portrait mode. You can clearly see the difference. Now the photos even in portrait mode looks more towards the natural tone, and the edge detection is also accurate now. Front camera portrait also improved after this update. So basically this update actually brought some improvements on Nothing Phone 2a layer 2 camera. But what do you guys have to say about the camera performance after this update? Do let us know in the comment section below. Later on they say they have overall enhanced the camera loading speed. You can see before and after. I personally did not notice much of improvements like right now while opening the camera application. Later under general improvements, yes, we do get the 1st April 2024 security patch, and after that they have optimized the Google Assistant wake up experience. We did test out before and after updating the device. On our device personally there were no issues. I tried in multiple scenarios, in quiet conditions, and even while playing music in the background. In almost every condition, the Google did respond properly even after and before update. Later they have optimized the pop-up view animation to feel more fluid, and here also you can see side-by-side difference. I wasn't able to notice any major improvements in the fluidity of the pop-up view. I tried the same settings page and both looked similar to me. But if you guys are able to make out the difference, let us know in the comment section below. Then they have increased the overall smoothness. So here talking about the overall smoothness, yes, you will feel a lot of difference. Now UI feels more fluid, animations are also good, and this cannot be explained guys. You can only feel it once you start using the device. So for me, there is a noticeable change in the overall smoothness of the device, and later they have optimized the overall gaming experience performance. So here in a limited testing, we played a TDM to check out the performance improvement in the gaming part. Right now I did not feel much of difference, because when we tested BGMI previously, that time device did deliver average FPS of 55 frames per second, and here after this latest update the average FPS was 57 frames per second. And if you see the graph also here, there are no major drops, only one drop was seen in between, in which FPS went around 52 or 50 I guess. Other than that, device did deliver constant FPS. With the gaming of almost 6 minutes, average FPS stood at 56.994 FPS. And later under bug fixes, they have resolved compatibility issues with some third-party launchers. I personally don't use any kind of launcher, but before updating the device, I did check out Nova launcher, I mean the Prime one, and it was working perfectly fine on my Nothing Phone 2a. So there might be some launcher which were not being supported or had some compatibility issues. If you guys have ever used any launcher which had these issues, let us know in the comment section below. And later they say they fixed stability issues with the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connection. Here also I've never faced any kind of issues. Talking about another fix what they have done, and that's related to nightlight feature, which was ineffective on the lock screen. So here again we tested out before and after updating the device. Before updating also we had the same issue, and after updating also we had the same issue. After updating, one thing which I noticed, soon I lock the device, the nightlight feature automatically gets disabled, which doesn't allow nightlight feature to work on the lock screen. and soon I unlock the device, the night light feature automatically gets enabled. So I'm not sure what fix they have done, but nothing claims that they have fixed this issue. Though it gets disabled soon you lock your device and it still doesn't work on the lock screen. Later they have optimized the overall stability of the system, and yes guys, slight improvements you'll see in the animation part, scrolling. You'll feel the device more smoother after this update. But if you guys have updated your device, do let us know what's your experience. So these were the only changes what Nothing have done with this latest update. And if you guys want a full review of this device after this update, do let us know in the comment section below, and also make sure to drop your queries directly inside the comment section and I'll pick your questions in the review video. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.